Hi guys, welcome back to the Hebrew Family Files. If you're new here, you can hit the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified when I post a new video to catch more content like this one. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some sight word activities to help improve fluency with sight words in your children. Okay, let's see. So for this activity, it's a word scramble activity. And my child is going to have to unscramble the word on this side and draw a line to match it to the word on this side. And he's going to be on a timer. And if he can get it done in less than a minute and a half, he's going to get a prize. So for this activity, I have written words, sight words, on these plastic cups with dry erase marker. And then I'm going to hide a candy underneath the cup, and my child is going to have to figure out which cup it's hiding under. And as they lift the cups, they're going to have to say the word that is on the cup. So for this activity is a sight word parking lot. I have drawn sections on a piece of construction paper and wrote different sight words in each section. And my child will have to drive the cars into the correct word section that I say. Okay, so for this activity, my child is going to be making me pancakes. And I cut these pancakes out of cardboard. And I wrote sight words on them. And my child is going to have to put them in the pan and pretend to cook me some sight word pancakes. And they're going to have to tell me what the word says on there. And then we'll spell it after they flip it over. So for this activity, I have took printer paper and wrote a bunch of different sight words on it. And then I have placed each paper on the floor in my living room. And what my children are going to do is they are going to jump from one word to another as I say the words. So if I say go to the word said, they're going to jump to the word said. Now, to make this activity a little more fun, you can mix it up by saying jump on one foot or put your hands on your head and jump. For this activity, I have took a plain sheet of paper and wrote sight words all over it. And as I say the sight word, my child is just going to simply color the sight word. Okay, so that's all the activities I have to show you today. As always, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, you can leave a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.